Hello everybody, this is Michael Acasio from mslcomputerservice. Today I'm going to show you some computer tips on how to clean up your hard drive. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe and hit the bell and like the video. This video is on how to clean your hard drive to make it faster, and you can follow along with me. It's a very short video, but it is very helpful to your Windows 10 computer, and you should be doing this. The first thing you want to do is you want to go down to your Start menu, which is down here on the bottom, and you want to right click your Start, left click where it says File Explorer, and then this window will open up. And you're going to go to where it says Local Disk C, and you want to right click that, and then you left click Properties, and then this window will come up. It'll say Local Disk C Properties, and what you want to do here is you want to click where it says Disk Cleanup, and then another screen will come up for Disk Cleanup, and that'll look just like that screen. And then the first thing you do is you click Clean Up System Files. You click Clean Up System Files, and you wait it to populate, and you can see the screen on the right where it's looking for your files. It's searching for all your system files. And we're going to clean the hard drive so your computer runs better. And now it's showing you this dialog box, and you hit OK. And then on the right, it's asking you, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? And then you're going to hit Delete Files. And then give it some time. It's going to delete the files. Doesn't take long. And then next, you're going to go back to this first screen, and you're going to go to Tools. Once you hit Tools, then you're going to check for errors on your hard drive. You click check, and then you click scan drive, and it's going to check for any errors that are on your hard drive, and it will clean up the errors on your hard drive. Step by step, you can really get your hard drive working good again. It's like your motor in your car. You're doing a little tune-up. So that's going to populate, and it's going to be scanning for all the files. Give it some time, and it's going to look for all the errors on your C drive. Your C drive is your hard drive, so just remember that. Anytime I refer to C drive, I'm talking about the hard drive in your computer. The hard drive is where all the information is on your computer. So that way you know what's going on here. Scanning, it's going to take a little bit more time. Once it finishes scanning, then we'll go to the next step. You can follow along step by step. This is very easy. So then it says your drive was successfully scanned. Windows successfully scanned the drive. No errors were found. That's good. You're going to close that. Then you're going to go back to the screen, and under Optimize and Defrag Drive, you're going to hit Optimize. And then this screen will come up. That's the Optimize Drive screen. Make sure it's highlighted under C, Hard Drive. That's what you want to optimize. Okay? So you want this to be under C. So it's under C, and we are going to actually, give me 1 second here, click Optimize, okay. Optimize your hard drive, alright. So you just highlight it, you click where it says C, Optimize Hard Drive, and it's going to do defragmentation. And what it's going to do is it's going to put all the files back where they're supposed to be. So you just double click where it says C drive and give it some time. It's going to take a little while, but it's going to defragment your hard drive. What that means is it's going to put all the files where they're supposed to be on your hard drive, so it's easier for you to navigate through your computer when you're clicking on stuff. When the files are not defragged, that means the files are all over the place. So this puts them all back where they're supposed to be. So once you get to finish this run this defrag, it's going to put all the files where they're supposed to be. And then your hard drive is going to be able to work better. So I got mine right here on 57, 58. It's going to take a little time if you've never done it before, or if you've never done any of the computer tips that I teach. It does take a little time, but it doesn't take very long, and it's going to help your computer a lot. So you let that defrag, and once that defrag is done, then you can close it out. That's all you have to do. You let it go to 100, and then you close this window here, and you can close all these screens again, and you're all done. So that's how you optimize your hard drive. You clean your system files, and you get your hard drive the way it's supposed to be. And that really, really will do a lot for your computer. So again, I hope you got value out of this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, like, hit the bell, and share my video with friends and your other people that are on your list. So once again, this is Michael Acasio from MSL Computer Service with another video. Thanks for watching. I will see you again.